Hi, this is DC Scrap and Rooster. Okay, today is Friday. I put together some kits. I'm trying to be consistent here because you guys keep asking me for more kits, and ooh, I'm trying my best. I really am. Okay, so I just put these together. It took me a couple of days to put together, and this is using the upholstery fabric that I had. Okay, and first come first serve because I don't have many. Okay, but let me show you what I did. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm not the best sewer, okay guys? Okay, remember that. Okay, this is just for crafting. Okay, so what I did was I put lace on one side and I also put lace on the other side. So this one is like a minty green, really pretty. I don't know if you can catch that on the video. And this one is pink. And I left it like this because this way you guys can decide whether you want the green one on the inside and the pink one on the outside or vice versa. Okay, so I did that one, and there's 4 different styles but not many of each. Okay, there's just a few of each. Okay, so I got this one here. Look how pretty that one is. Okay, that fabric. Okay, I got this one here. Okay, same thing, same exact thing. Punch a little lint, the pink and the green. You could do it this way, you could do it the other way. Okay. Okay, so that's that one. Pretty pretty. I got this one here. I think this is one of my favorites. Actually, I like them all. And I don't have any more of this, so like I said, first come, first serve. Okay, and then this is the last one. Okay, again, same thing. Green and then the pink. Okay, so I have that, and with this kit I have a little bundle of flowers to match. I try to coordinate, more or less, and just put these so you guys can see. Put a little bit of flowers in here. Okay, that's just right. I put that just for the back. Okay, got that. You have some lace. I'm not going to take them out. There's, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yards of lace. Okay, and then you have this little thing of buttons and a little butterfly. The butterfly is for the back of something. We'll show you now. Okay, so you get the lace, you get the flowers, you get this little pack here. You get one of these, obviously, and then I'm going to put this aside and let me show you. I also made bookmarks to go with them. Okay, and these are the bookmarks. Okay. Okay, and what I did was I attached one of these little, how do you call it? One of these little, I forgot what you call that. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. You forget the words every time. Well, I forget the words. And you guys already know me. I forget words. Okay, so I put a little dangle here, a little heart for Valentine's Day, and a little leaf with a little bud in there. I think that's so cute. Piece of lace, and these are the laces I just sold. There was a couple pieces left and I used them. Okay, for this reason. I put a little flower here, a little applique flower there. So I think they came out pretty good. Okay, so these are them. Look how pretty they are. Okay, trying to use everything that I have. Also give you guys some ideas. This is another one that I made. Look how pretty that one is. Okay. Again, this is one of the laces I just recently sold. Okay, these are leftovers. I'm going to use whatever I have to make stuff. I'm not buying anything. Okay, unless I find something really cool for you guys. Okay, so here you go. A little bug, little heart, and a little dangle. Okay, and some flowers that I had here. Okay, and some trim. I used this trim. This trim I had also. I used to carry it. I don't carry it anymore. So that's that one. Again, that's what it looks like. Pretty pretty. And then the last one is this one here. So there's 4 different types of books, but there's only 3 types of bookmarks. So I didn't have enough lace to make. Okay, so that's this one here. Okay. And this is the dangle. Okay, there's a leaf with a little bud flower in there. the cute little, this, I wanted to show how I made that because it's really easy. I just took one of those filigree cones and I just opened it up and wrapped it around the bead. Okay, that's all I did. Okay, you know what? Hold on. On here, I put some mauve little flowers, rosette flowers, and these are tiny little appliques that I sold at one time. I don't have any more. And this is a piece of lace that I had from what I sold before. And this is the only piece I had. I don't have any more. Okay, hold on. Let me show. Oh, maybe I'll show how I did it. See, I put a sample piece because I wanted to show you how I made it. Maybe I'll do that at the end of the video. But where is it? This is what that looks like. Just in case you guys ask me what's that filigree. Okay, this is what that filigree looks like. Okay, and what I did was, where is it? Oh, I didn't pull it out. I didn't pull out a white one. I put everything else out, but I didn't pull out a white one because, okay, what I did is I just wrapped this around, and you could open this. Okay, I'll show it at the end of my video, which this is the end of the video. Okay, I'll show you how I made that little tag. So I'm gonna show you quick how I made this. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what they are. Okay, these are the clasps that I use. You can use the larger ones. I used the smaller one. Okay, and then what I did was, let's see if I can show you. I'm not going to glue it down because this one's going to be mine, and I wanted to put another piece of lace on here, not this one. But you would, if I was using this one, I would put it right here, and then I would, that's for the butterflies, for something else. Then I would do a little applique over here. I'll probably do another one over here, I think. I don't know. Here's that little flower. Maybe I'd probably put another one over here, or maybe not, I don't know, but anyway, you get my point. Okay, these I put yeah, this one I put 2. Okay, so, but that's not what I want to show you. What I want to show you is that little the bead. Okay, where is it? Okay, here it is. So this is what it looks like. That's what I was talking about. Okay, that's, where is it? This is, it's on the white one. See? That's what it looks like. So what I did was, okay, I just took the bead and I just stuck it in there, pushed it all the way down. Okay. So it looks like that. Okay, and then I used my fingers, but make sure your hole is lined up. Don't do like I did. I can't find it because I can't see. I'm not wearing my jewelry glasses. But anyway, I'm not going to glue it. I'm not going to do it right now. But let's just see. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to see. Okay. I'm telling you, I'm blind. Okay, so what I do is I just use my fingers. You could use your tools, but if you got strong fingers, which I don't, okay, and you could squeeze it in. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, and then you use your, let's see if I lined it up correct, which I didn't, obviously. Did I? No, I did not. But it's anyway, but you catch my point, right? Let's see. I'm telling you, I am blind. If I don't wear my jewelry glasses, I can't see what I'm doing. Because right now I'm using my readers. Here we go. Okay. And you can squeeze this a little bit tighter. I just happened to open up a little bit more. Okay, and then I put one of those, what is it, rondelles? I could find it. Right here. And then I put another bead cap. Oops, there we go. Bead. Here's the green. Another bead cap. I'll put this one. Okay, here we go. I could put a little Did I put big one here? No, I didn't. Oh, I did. Okay, hold on. One of these tiny, 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 tiny little bead. They're not seed beads, but you can pass a seed bead. And again, I can't see. Okay, there we go. And I'm not going to cut it. I'm just going to close it this way. Am I in frame? It's not going to come out good because I'm doing a quick job. It's just showing. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I can put this in here. There we go. I'm just squeezing the tips a little bit more. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Okay, let me show you this. Let me show you this one real quick. Okay, so what I did with this one, okay, which is right here, I put this little, where is it? Here it goes. Tiny little bead also. I put the tiny little bead. Oh my god, why is it? Because I'm on camera, that's why everything is so difficult. Okay, the tiny little bead, as you can see. And then I use this little bud, little flower. And put it in here. So it looks like that. You can put a different color, I just happened to pick this one. I took one of these little leaves. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to use another tiny little bead behind it. If I can pull it out. If I can pull it out. Yep, because I'm on camera, so everything is difficult. Okay, let's see. Okay, and that's what it looks like. I think they came out so cute. Okay, and so what I did was, here's my cutter. I wasn't prepared to do this, but that's okay. This one I have to cut. Okay, and I do the same thing. Okay. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And then you could attach it to here. Okay, and then I have the heart too, which I attached. You know, and all I did was, let me see. Let's see. Okay. Put that one there. Put this one in here. Because I'm going to attach this one, the big one. Do I want it this way? I want this way. Oh, I want this way. Okay. Okay, and then on this one, I'm going to attach. Did I bring a little one? I sure did. Where's my opening? Here it is. These are so thin. I thought I took the heavy ones, but guess not. Oh, here's my opening. I'm telling you, I am so blind, I can't even see the opening to this. Let's see. Here it is. Okay, on this one, I'm going to attach the heart. Okay, close that. I should have added another loop-de-loop. Loop-de-loop. Okay, and on this one, depending on how long you want it. Oh, this is one of those. See, this is a strong one. I got them mixed. Okay. And I attach this one. There you go, super easy. 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. There you go. And that's all I did, really. Okay, and then I just added, I did this last. Seeing if I put this on here, it'll look like this. But like I said, I'm not going to glue it because I'm going to, this one's mine and I want to, oops, put a different piece of lace on here. I should have just got that ready. And that's it. Easy peasy. And that's it. I will put the price and in the description box, and I'll put my email so this way you guys can order from my email. Oh, I also wanted to say my name will be changing finally. I started this a while back and I just never finished it. The name will be changing. I believe in sometime like in April, middle or the end of March, the beginning of April. I'm not really sure. So things are looking up. Hopefully, God willing, everything will fall into place now, and then you'll see more of me, and I could get to do more crafty projects. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.